In 1917, one of the deadliest explosions in history didn't happen in a war zone, but in a quiet harbor. It's known as the Halifax explosion. On December 6th, a French cargo ship carrying explosives collided with another vessel in the port of Halifax, Canada. The ship was loaded with 2,925 tons of explosives, including TNT, picric acid, and benzol. At 9:04 a.m., it detonated. The blast was so powerful that it released energy equivalent to 2.9 kilotons of TNT. It instantly destroyed over 1,600 buildings. Windows shattered up to 100 kilometers away. A pressure wave moved faster than the speed of sound. And then came a tsunami. A wave as high as 18 meters slammed into the shore. In seconds, nearly 2,000 people were killed. Another 9,000 were injured. Entire neighborhoods vanished. Fires burned for days. And to make things worse, a blizzard hit the next day, slowing rescue efforts. More than 25,000 people, half the city, were left homeless. It remains the largest man-made explosion before the atomic bomb. And today, it's a forgotten tragedy that turned a peaceful morning into total devastation in less than 20 seconds.